So we start off today's video with this pixie hair transformation. Ooh, she went platinum. Love this. And platinum is a huge hair color trend for 2024. Such a cute hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be looking at some short hair ideas. So if you have been thinking of cutting your hair into a shorter style, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cut. I love the height and volume that she got here with the texture that the stylist created. Color looks superb, very nice. So here we have someone with curly hair. Looks like she's getting some color done. Ooh, rose gold shaggy curly pixie. Oh, this is so cute. I love that rose gold color. So pretty. So here we have a major long to short transformation. She has some very long waist length hair, and she's looking to switch it up with a pixie. Ooh, so she cuts the hair off, the stylist cleans it up. It does a nice wash and go curly pixie look here. Oh, she looks amazing. Oh, I'm loving this. Absolutely gorgeous. So here we have someone with long waist-length hair, beautiful thick strands. The hair is placed in ponytails and she begins to cut. I love how excited she is about this hair change. So she gets a gorgeous classic shoulder length bob cut. So pretty. And donates the hair. So next up, looks like we have a cut refresh. hairstylist does a nice cleanup here with this bob. So there is the before, and then there is the after. Very nice. Beautiful angled bob style. And it looks like we have a pixie here. Getting some color. Oh! Looks like she went platinum too, or gray. Very cute. Beautiful white pixie. And then we have this rocker chic mullet style. As you guys know, the mullet is trending this year. She's got the bleached brow trend happening as well. Followed by another bright blonde pixie. Oh, look at this asymmetrical pixie bob. Oh, this is so chic. Very cute style idea. So here we have someone rocking out some fuchsia, like a purple fuchsia colored curl. And then she ended up getting this cute little pixie undercuts. So pretty. I love this color. It's kind of hard to like figure out the exact shade. It's like a fuchsia purple, maybe even a bit of a burgundy happening here with the hue. Very pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video and you were able to gain some hair inspiration. If you were, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.